Hey, my name is Justin Case, and look what I got. Yep, I got my Hivemapper dash cam in the mail finally. Super happy, ready to open it up and start getting that honey. I went online to see how well honey is doing right now. If you look online right now, it is a little above 19 cents. On some sites, I'm seeing it say 20, but 19 cents. Hey, I'm happy with that number. That means that with the 2,500 honey bonus on this $300 device, I will get a couple $100 back. So, yay, yay, all positives all around. But that said, something new just showed up, and rather than talk about the Hivemapper dashcam that I just got and do an unboxing, I want to talk about the bee. So before we get into the bee, I just want to say, first of all, please do like this video if you're interested in seeing more videos like this, and subscribe to my channel. Always appreciate when you do that. Now, I'm not saying the bee changes everything, but the bee is very interesting. So we're just going to review everything that I've been given information on with the bee, rather than unboxing this Hivemapper dashcam and showing you how to get it up and running. If you do want to know how to get it up and running and think I should make a video on that, then please do let me know in the comments. I always appreciate hearing what you guys have to say. But that said, the bee has come out, and the bee is supposed to make this whole process seamless. Where it was actually a little tedious with the Hivemapper dashcam, the bee is supposed to make it easy for you to just hand this dash cam to someone else to help get you rewards. And I say that, and it's most important because, quite frankly, maybe you're like me who, we drive, we have our commute, but we don't drive in the same way some other people do that have the opportunity to make more money with the dash cam. And the people I mean are people like FedEx drivers, UPS drivers, Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, or Uber Eats drivers, people who are basically going through the suburbs where they can make the most, as opposed to those main streets to just commute to your destination 15 minutes away. Those are where you will make the most honey. So let's talk about it here. What is the bee? Well, welcome to the future of map making, powered by your journeys. Bee is the ultimate map making miner, effortlessly updating the world's freshest map. It's also a premium dash cam, keeping you safe and secure on your daily drive. Embrace the power of innovation and collaboration. Join the revolution. So what it's showing here is, okay, first of all, they've added passive mapping, so you have cellular LTE enabled for passive mapping, as well as Wi-Fi capabilities. So those are big pluses. A little confused about the Wi-Fi capabilities because, I assume it already connects to things via Wi-Fi, but I'm guessing that's probably directly related to the cellular LTE. In other words, maybe it works as a hotspot. Professional grade GPS. Okay, well, I think we had that before, but if it's better, I'm told that the GPS always has to lock before you can start mapping, in order for them to know exactly where you're mapping and what you're seeing for, those photos that it stores to be worth anything. And so if it's professional grade GPS, hopefully that lock will happen faster and more securely, and make sure you don't have any problems getting your honey rewards. 24-hour protection. Okay, yeah. High resolution videos day and night. Okay, great. Event detection, automatically videos back up on extreme driving and braking. Okay, interesting. There's more features here, but let's just jump to what it says. So you can get it $4.99 in phase 1, rapid rush, best prices, fastest shipping, and largest bonuses. But it doesn't say what the bonuses are, and that's where you can pre-order right now. Then it has the facts. Okay, well, let's get into the frequently asked questions. So how long will the rapid rush window last? The special pricing and perks will only be available for a limited time. We'll communicate with the close of rapid rush at least 72 hours in advance, so they're not going to tell us right now. When are these going to ship? They're going to ship Q3 of 2024. We strictly follow the first order, first ship policy. So basically, if you want it now, you better order it now. But Q3, I mean, in all probability, that means the end of Q3. That means we're talking about like October. I mean, yeah, that's Q4, but you know what I mean. It's never gonna hit Q3. It's gonna be Q4. So yeah, I'm saying October. We're not gonna see that thing. And I wouldn't be mad about that, except what does it say next? If you are currently waiting for a Hivemapper dashcam or a Hivemapper dashcam S, and you switch your order, your original order date will be used. We encourage you customers to switch and put themselves in the front of the line for our best mapping machine yet. So the people who switch their orders will get their Hivemapper Bs first. And even if you pre-order right now there, anybody who upgrades their order, basically, right? So do I need to upgrade my order? I guess that's the question. Those who upgrade their order, get them first. Hivemapper Dashcam S, to fulfill as many orders as possible before the launch of the B, the next production of the run of the Hivemapper Dashcam S has been canceled. All existing orders will be converted to the B, and a refund of the full price difference will be automatically issued. Now, I don't like hearing that, because while I did get my order from December 7th just now, I ordered a Hivemapper Dashcam S on December 8th, and that means I'm not going to see anything till at least October, if not November or December. Ooh, I do not like hearing that. Yeah, whole year to wait. Well, you can cancel it, right? We will produce I'm going back to the Hivemapper Dashcam now. We'll produce the Hivemapper Dashcam for the next several months as we gear up for B production. However, we encourage you to switch over to the best device ever. The B has been far more functional and is expected to earn greater rewards. Please check your email for a limited time offer and instructions on how to upgrade, and I will show you what that says. If I switch to a B, do I still get the honey bonus for my order, which is the $2,500 we talked about earlier? If you convert your existing order, you're eligible for either the original bonus at the time or a rapid rush bonus. So the rapid rush orders will be announced at a later date. So they're not even going to tell us what that bonus is. But I will tell you what they're talking about from the email, which is a little different. Will the B work everywhere in the world? Yes. I'm not even going to get into the other information there. Yes, it will. Is the cellular LTE available worldwide? As the B becomes equipped with the necessary hardware for global onboarding cellular connectivity, please be aware that the launch of cellular connectivity may not be available for all regions in the world. Okay. That's getting a little confusing. So what does that mean? And here are the cellular LTE service fees included. No. So that's kind of what it means. You might have to put your own SIM card in there to get it working. I'm not going to answer this. Well, I might as well. But I mean, yeah, we can cancel our order still. That's a thing we can do. But do we want to do it? I don't know. Am I going to return what I just got in the mail? No. Because you're not going to see those for, like I said, maybe 10 months, and I got this now. That's 10 months I'm making honey. So I'm excited to get that up and running. So yeah, I got the emails from these guys. One was an introduction email that basically said the same thing. I am curious though, because it does say it was $450, but let's click on the button here. $450 with Wi-Fi only, and then it's $549 with cellular LTE as well. So again, I'm confused. I thought, yeah, it always had Wi-Fi. I mean, the old ones have Wi-Fi. So why is it saying it like that? Okay, who knows? Oh, and if you want a external mount for the top of your car, I suppose that is $39.99, and a flash drive is $39.99. I'm not going to go into all the descriptions of all of the different things that they say are available in this. For those of you who are probably watching this video, you have looked at the Hivemapper dashcam before, so you can probably look at the specs and decide whether it's good or not good. I think the big thing for people is this cellular LTE, because that means that your videos are uploading as you drive. It says right here, the B with Wi-Fi and cellular LTE automatically uploads map data as you drive, whereas the B with Wi-Fi only automatically uploads data only when connected to Wi-Fi. But, my argument with that is, yeah, but if you have it connected to your phone, you're driving around with your phone, it'll upload that way, right? Maybe not as fast, and I suppose if you are someone like an Uber driver, you may not want to use that connectivity at all on your phone because you're using it for other things. So something to consider. Now, as I mentioned, this brought me to look at Discord, where most of this stuff was repeated right here. So I was bummed. This is where I first read it, like this here. Can I purchase other dash cams like the HDC or the HDCS? No. Orders for both of these are no longer being accepted. So if you want more detailed information, go into the Discord and read some of the things that it has to say here about orders and so forth. It says here right at the top, if you ordered between December and January and your item hasn't shipped, watch for an email explaining the upgrade process. And contact these people here for help with upgrading. And by the way, I did send an email. I have not heard back. It's only been 4 or 5 hours. So actually, I've never had Hivemapper contact me back on any email I've sent them. So I am a little concerned. But we'll see if they respond back. It'll be interesting. I'm not going to go through all of this. Please do check it on Discord yourself. I do want to show you, though, the emails that I got. So first of all, there was, again, the email that we went to earlier right here. But then I got this second email. Upgrade to our best mapping miner yet, the B. Dear Justin, we're thrilled to share the exciting news about our latest innovation, the B. As a valued customer, we're reaching out to offer you a chance to upgrade your current order to our best mapping miner yet. By switching your current order to the B, you'll get the following benefits. 2. An early position line to receive the B unit ahead of the general public. And 3,000 honey bonus instead of the 2,500 honey bonus, which leaves me to think maybe that rapid bonus is only about 500. So is it worth, if you're looking for a big bonus, if you think you're going to get a big bonus, I don't know. It's not going to be over 1,000, obviously. Sorry, over 3,000 honey. Obviously, and if you upgrade and you purchased it between October and the end of December, you got 3,000. So something to consider. Now that's why I'm totally bummed when we go there and we see that they're not telling us what this largest bonus is. Because largest bonus would suggest that the bonus was bigger than the 2,500. Actually, though, now as we're saying that, it could be that the largest bonus is then 3,000, right? Because they're telling us if you upgrade, you'll get 3,000. And before they were saying that it'll be somewhere between that 2,500 and whatever is largest. So maybe. As you can see, if you wait for phase 2 or phase 3, they say smaller and smallest bonus. I don't like this marketing. I'm going to tell you, I don't know who works for Hivemapper, but that's not cool, man. You should just tell people so they can make an informed decision. This is just asking people to cancel later on. But I guess that's what they do. I know a lot of people have canceled their Hivemapper orders from December. It was definitely a good drop of people who had regret of buying something and wouldn't receive it in a couple months. So yeah, I just wanted to show you all that. Something to consider yourselves if you're deciding to buy into Hivemapper. I obviously have, and I'm going to get this up and running today. So again, if you want me to make a video about it, please do let me know. But otherwise, thanks for watching. If you choose to buy one, I do have a coupon code for you just in case that you can get a little bit off your order price. But other than that, have a great day.